zone. Supply zones and your market structure. Nothing is very complicated. This is very, very easy. So just take it easy. Nothing is hard.
Alright guys, I just want to fix something that I'm going to eat this night because I had a very late ride. I haven't this around after 8. I have a very late ride and I'm very weak and tired, but I'll try my best to try and fix something and eat. Although I'm preparing something that I'm going to eat with my friend this night. He don't know how to cook, so I'm the one that is going to prepare everything. Then after that we eat. Tomorrow morning we go to the chart, backtest and straight up and see how this new week that we are entering is going to be like. Sorry for the background noise. This forex trading of a thing is a very hard, the hardest job on earth. Get the hardest job on earth, but the only thing that can keep you outside or apart from the rest is simplicity and discipline with patience. These three things: simplicity, discipline, and patience. If you can be these three things, you're gonna conquer the world. Seriously, you're gonna conquer the world. You're going to make so much and detach yourself from fear. Fears will conquer you. Even as a man, fear is going to conquer you. If you're someone that always be afraid whenever you're in a trade, you intend to do so many crazy things, closing trades so early, having strict losses because of fear, not taking the right setup because of fear, not taking the right opportunity that you see. I had a very A+ setup on Nasdaq. I didn't take the trade because I was so much afraid to take the trade. But at the last, the trade turns out to be a very good a trade that would have changed my life entirely. I didn't take the trade and ride the trade, go straight to my TP. Although I discussed this with one of my friends, and he was lamenting on the same thing though. Bongosha to do be the best and strive for the best, never settle for the less. Alright guys, you can see the art look of this environment, so beautiful. Guys can guess. now, we're in bull run, and these are things that you do. You invest in cryptos, invest in stock market, invest in anything that is going to earn you passive income. Anything that is going to earn you passive income. If you have your money in USDT, you can just convert them to Ethereum, Solana, or any coin of your choice. If you want to, you can also invest in stock market, because Donald Trump just get elected as the current 47 United States president, and which you can know that is going to earn us massive income as an investors, because 2025 is going to be a massive year for all the whole investors, all the whole forex traders, all the whole crypto traders, all the whole stock market traders, because it's going to be a year of massive volume. Because currently now a lot of things have been going on in the market, and market has been stable. What is really happened, the market volume is back. Just like on Friday, Euro USD hits. This is my first time seeing Euro USD to go to from one to move up to 100 pips in a day, which I haven't seen Euro USD move up to 1,100 pips in a day. That's what shows you that market volume is back, and which by next year we are going to make so much in the market. I also want you guys to follow up on my journey and let's see where this leads us. And if you are watching this video, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment and share.